Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the new and latest MAGTADDYPIMPPING magnetic charging cables. So as you know, ordinary charging cable, you have to use a wire tie to tie them up to make it neat. And with this one, you don't need to worry about it. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's shown within the description. And there's a 10% coupon code. Make sure you apply to it before you check out. So yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to Liliana from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and show you guys the new product. Magnetic charging data cable, mini size portable, magnetic self-winding, neat and tidy charging. So this one is the Type C to Type C, and this one is the Type A to Lightning charging for iPhones. This is for the new and latest iPhones. And this one is the blue color, 1.5 meter, and this one is the black color, not sure how many meter. Says we are using the most simple pack to save the planet. It is made in China. So this one up to 60 watts. And they have a patent number on here. Wow, pretty neat. And you could wind it in different sizes. Wow, look at that. So strong. Pick up all the paper clip. So imagine you carry this, you don't have a bag, no problem. You could wrap around your wrist. And carry with you. You can make it smaller. Nice. Let's go and then check out the quality. So this is not gonna frail or rip like the original Apple cable. So let's show you guys the difference. Black and blue color. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Go ahead and make it smaller. So strong. Let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm going to plug in my Note 20. It says 8 minutes until fully charged, so yeah, it is a fast charging cable. So the blue one is 1.5 meter, so the black one is shorter, must be the 1 meter. They also have the 2 meters, which is longer. You see all the cable with all this clutterness compared to this neat and easy to carry around. We are plugged in right now to charge. Very easy. So there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.